Meantime, we have a Dow component out just with results right now. That's UnitedHealth. Adjusted earnings, of $7.12 per share, beat estimates. Analysts were expecting $5.28 per share. The company attributes that big beat to what it calls an unprecedented temporary deferral of care in the company's risk-based businesses. Now, revenue coming in at $62.1 billion, which is a bit below consensus. That stock you're looking at right now about $310 year to date. You look, it's actually been relatively flat. Maybe year over year, it's gained a bit if you look.
Healthcare. I mean, that's such an interesting reason for why they've seen higher numbers on this. The company does go out of its way to say that it expects the results are going to be offset in the quarters ahead by the assistance measures already taken and the resumption of deferred care. You know, we hadn't really thought about that. You've heard from all the car insurance companies where they've come out and said that they would be giving people a break on this. This is a little bit of a different situation because UNH expects that all of that health care will eventually get picked up. All that stuff that's been deferred will eventually get there. I don't know why this had not occurred to me before, just the idea of all the deferred care. Nobody was going to a doctor for a long period of time. In fact, offices were shut and wouldn't be seeing anybody except for emergency purposes.
Right. I don't know. I mean, we could go back and look at the insurance company, the car insurance companies and others like it. I don't think they traded similarly because I think you're right. Cars, there's not accidents if people aren't on the road. Obviously, if you have a medical issue or condition, you're going to have to go hopefully get it taken care of at some point.
We're all healthy and young, but I can think of a lot of things that you wouldn't want to take a 3-month break from caring for. I mean, think about that.
Yeah.
A lot of conditions.
No, I mean, that's actually where I was on Monday. My daughter had to get surgery because of a tube being stuck in her ear.
I'm familiar with that. Yeah, with my son too.
It's one that hadn't come out. I mean, I guess it's not absolutely urgent care, but it was bleeding out of the ear, so they had to get taken care of at some point soon.
Mammograms, or I mean, there's a million things I can think of which is one of the arguments that you hear a lot from people that say, okay, we want to crush the virus, but there are other health concerns that people have that are being neglected because they can't get out.